without setting clear performance goals, without checking their work and keep checking on them until you trust them, right? Doesn't even make sense. Why do we do that with AI? Assume nothing. You need to customize this to your business. That's the really cool thing I've learned with AI. In most places in the old days, from where I'm from, you'd have to go learn a software and hope everybody on your team will learn it. And people are like, "Oh, I don't like Basecamp. I like Slack. Oh, I don't like Slack. I'm a programmer. I like Asana, which is way better for doing agile sprints." That doesn't matter because with AI, your business is the center and you customize the fit to your solution. Can you see why this takes patience and time, why this takes 1, 2, 3-year business plans slowly to put it in rather than trying to shove it in and hope it works, which has destroyed a few businesses already. It's sort of silly, isn't it? You got to teach AI about your specific circumstances, audit its output, and fine tune it continuously. You wonder why those AI agents right out of the box aren't working? People don't know that, but your business is dynamic. It changes. Consumers buy new things, markets change, things go out of fashion. We react to that all the time, but we think AI will take care of it all. That's like some weird wish we're in. We can do better. And how do you do that? Understand as a creator your own creative process first, document it, find out the areas where AI can help. And in standard business, start with your workflows, small, automate around them, see them, build them to where you can trust, develop measurements, and every quarter check in to see how it's doing. Don't just set it and forget it. That is the weird, lazy thing nobody would do in business, but suddenly AI comes and we're like, oh yeah, just let AI do it because after all, it's smarter than me. That's not the gig. It's not how smart it is. It's how much you can trust it. It's not that it's doing things that you can't do. It's it can do things reliably and take work off your back. Organization and communication. Seriously. Focus on those first because humans are not good at that. AI is wicked good, and you don't make it in charge of your business. It's just organizing things better and making sure everybody is on the same page instead of forcing your employees to do that, which some do well, a lot don't, and it's information overload. Streamline it. Boy, if you do nothing else, listen to this. Organization and communication. The rest, good luck. Work it out, but start there. It's real, it's practical, it's measurable, and you can develop AI you can trust. That's what you want.